In front of me is Black Shark gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to find clock app that's already on your tablet, which is this one. Click on it and choose alarm at the top left corner. Now, before doing anything, click on those three dots at the top right one and select settings to adjust all of those for all of your alarms, like snooze. After making sure they're perfect for you, go back and create new alarm thanks to this plus at the bottom. Now set up an hour and hit OK. Then tap on your alarm and adjust it. To change an hour, click on it and change it to wherever you want to. Just make sure to hit OK to save your changes. Now, tap on repeat to pick days of the week. Just exclude ones you don't want by clicking on the white ones. Then, hit default next to this bell icon. Choose add new to pick any song from your device and add it by tapping on it, or select one of those melodies by clicking on the best one, like Buzzle. Oh, that was loud. Now click on Vibrate to disable or enable Haptic Feedback, and last but not least, select Label and name your alarm however you wish, if you wish. Hit OK, and to hide those options, click at the bottom right corner of any alarm. Now, to turn it on or off, use this switcher right next to it. If it's red, alarm is on. If it's grey, it's off. To make any changes to any of those, just click on the chosen one and change whatever you wanna. If you wish to delete one, click on it and use the delete button at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!